Hey class, Mr. Klausner here. Just wanted to do a quick video to update you on what we're going to be doing for the week of April 6th. And I'm going to show you just a quick review of some things we learned in class, and then we're going to just do one quick example. Then I'll post two more videos that are really good that you'll must watch so that you can understand this week's objectives. But let's just do a quick review. Let's say I have the expression 3x squared, okay? In here, what I have is a sign, positive or negative. Remember when we did this? Our sign in this one is positive. Okay, I'll put that in red. So that's our sign. The next thing we have here is a coefficient. Okay, remember a coefficient is the number that comes before our variable. Coefficient. Okay, so this is all review. The next thing we have is our variable. Our variable is a letter or symbol that we're using to represent a number or a value we don't know. So this is our variable. I'll put that in green. Variable. And then lastly, what we have is our exponent. So we have our exponent. What is the power of the x? In this case, the exponent is 2, so it's raised to the power of 2, which would be x times x. And we don't know what x is, but this is just a review of exactly how our numbers are going to look here, especially with this week as we get into one-step equations and multiplication and division, which last week we did addition and subtraction. This week we're going to move on to multiplication and division, okay? So last week we would have had a problem like x minus 7 equals 11, okay? According to our rules of equality, okay, our addition rules of equality, I can add 7 to this side. Whatever I do to the left side, I'll also do the right side. This way, I'm isolating the variable. That means to get it by itself, like in basketball, you have isolation defense. Okay, the negative 7 plus 7 is going to make 0, so all I have now is the x. And over here, I simply do 11 plus 7. I get 18. So in this one, x equals 18. Alright, this is what we did last week. Simple one-step algebraic equations. Equations, equal signs. This week, we're going to have, let me just get my rag here. So this week, we're going to have a question like 7a equals 49. Okay, so this is an equation that I can solve. I wanted to review exactly what all those numbers look like, because here I have a positive sign. So 7a is positive, 7 is my coefficient, a is my variable, and a is being raised to the first power. So it's understood. It's not a squared or a to the 10th. It's just a to the first power, so we can leave that understood as 7a. Now 7a is equaling something, and last week we learned, okay, if I had x minus 7 equals 11, I needed to add 7 to that side so that I would get 18 on the other side, just like the example we did. But this week it's 7 times this a, and so I need to think, okay, if I am multiplying 7 times our unknown, in order to get rid of the 7 that is in multiplication, I'm going to use division on this side to get rid of this, so that I have a standing alone over here. And now this is really 1a. That's a really bad a. So now this is 1a, and I've divided this side by 7 because the coefficient over here was 7a. Divide by 7. Whatever I do to the left side, I'm going to do to the right side. And now 49 divided by 7, they're both positive, so I get positive 7. So in this one, a equals 7. Okay, so that's just one example, and I'll jump on and maybe show you some more later. Miss you guys. Hope this helps. Watch the 2 videos through Khan Academy and Google Forms, and you guys will do great.